What's going on, guys? Quattro getting back in the building for another video. Today we're making a mountain run. I'm headed up to Blood Mountain just to have some fun. There's gonna be a few cars, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get straight to the video. In and of itself, doing this stuff is pretty inherently dangerous. Always be careful, make sure your tires and brakes are solid. I know you guys are gonna do mountain runs, you're gonna do fun drives because that's what car guys do, but just be a responsible driver. There was no negligence on the rider's part, but sometimes things happen. Looking back at the film, it looked like he actually hit a wet patch on the actual surface of the concrete, causing him to lose traction. Always keep your head on a swivel and be safe, guys. Just be safe. Was he manual? I think that 911 was manual. Holy freaking crap. It is freezing up here. The car is saying 37. I think it's colder than 37. But we shall see. Okay, so right now we're actually driving past where one of my buddies unfortunately flipped his cornflower blue 2021 Golf GTI.
3 times. He flipped 3 times.
To see that video, hit the link in the top right corner. portion was fun. I hope that came through on camera. That portion was fun. They got some distance. We really got to like test the car in and out the corners. That was fun. Considering that we all left in a pack of vehicles and the gap between my car and the bike had widened significantly, I was starting to get worried as to where everyone was. As you can see in the upcoming clips, we started to pull away as we got into the really twisties because the cars just seemed to be a little bit more nimble. And it's a little bit out here too. Not gonna lie, I cheated a little bit on that last little section. I didn't cross the yellows. But I don't know. I didn't cross mad. I just kind of hit the rumbles a little bit. Probably need to turn around. I don't see them back there. No. Hey, bro, we should probably turn around and make sure they're good. Yeah, because they were not this far behind us. They weren't far behind us at all, actually. Huh? He laid it down. I'm good now. Okay. I'm just gonna go home. Okay. I knew something was up, dude. Okay, so after eating it, fortunately, the rider was okay. The only injuries that he suffered was to his backpack. And of course, you know, hitting the ground isn't fun. So we were actually able to leave the mountain. And as you'll see in this next clip, ride home and drive home with no further issues. That concluded the fun for that day. But fortunately, everybody was good. Once again, thank you guys for watching. My voice cracked. And I'll catch you on the next video.
Sipping it up, Jay got a pack, we shipping it out. I'm still sipping purple in the drought. I gotta run from the cut. I brought the K, let it pop. She let me get in that butt. Drip had it toe like a 9.